Do you have broken garage door? Well, protecting your car from being stolen, you need to have a sturdy garage door. Hire experts to repair your broken garage door as fast as possible. Could not figure out which one is the most trusted garage door company near you in Dumfries, VA? Contact Adams Garage Doors LLC, the leading local garage door company with more than 40 years of combined experience in garage door repair and installation. They offer 24/7 garage door installation, repair, replacement, servicing and maintenance, etc. Their highly trained and experienced technicians are always busy to meet their clientele garage door needs. They're offered guaranteed garage door repair works available at the best competitive prices compared to others. So, what are you waiting for? Contact them right away by dialing 703-623-6766 and share your garage door repair needs. If you have any further query regarding their garage door repair or maintenance services, then browse through https://adamsgaragedoors.com/.